Everybody, it's now August 21st, 2022, and the time is now 6:29, and our sun's setting right back in here. But there's a rainbow, some call it a Sundog, but it shouldn't be there. And it's pretty big, and that's gonna be right there. Just trying to get a good look and a couple screenshots of that. That's another sign of a planet. It's been really interesting last few days. That's the northeast. We've had a lot of rain. I mean, way down there you can see the water, but there's a car right there. It was through his floorboard. I was staying dry down there where I park. But yeah, the weather's really been weird. Like last night we had a thunderstorm, or yesterday we were having thunderstorms, but they're really, really sporadic. And it was just kind of weird. I remember always seeing the big black thunderhead clouds coming and the big black clouds, and storm clouds, but the sky was just all color like that. Lightning, not a lot, you know, some intense lightning, but very little, and some thunder, very sporadic. But I mean, our sky's messed up. You can see it all. There's our east, back to the south, and back to Luna. Wow. But I had the drone out too, everybody, just a little while ago. I'm going to try to do a couple little small clips with it. And put it together that way. But yeah, watch Brandon Corey Negley. He's been putting out some really, really good Planet X footage. The Planet X bodies. I mean, when we talk about, like, we say, oh, we see it, it's up in there. We don't mean it's right there in the clouds. We're talking it's a shadow being casted on our clouds. I mean, our sun gets eclipsed on a daily basis several times, from what I understand. I know it does at least one time. The several times I can't guarantee, but it's all to hide the system. All this spraying, just think what we breathe. Almost looks like a big old object up in there. Just dark, big dark shadow. But you can also see the real bright ones too. I don't see none now, but I just wanted to come out, do this real quick, come back here. Okay, everybody, I'm done. Look over this way to the south. But I just decided really quick, come on this side of the building. It's looking directly west. I don't see no Sundog over on this side at all. That is strange. Like a big dark shadow up in there. Anyways, that's it, everybody. I just wanted to capture a little bit. I'll be getting the drone out here a little bit more. I did, I don't know, maybe flew 5 minutes and shut it down. And I'll plan on getting it back out as long as we don't get no rain. Like I say, the weather's been like this. Then it gets really overcast, rains. Then it clears up, gets like this. The atmosphere looks wild. Look at that to the north. Sometimes some objects glow like that. Okay, everybody. Thanks for watching. I'll be back. Okay, everybody. Still August 21st, 2022. Right now the time's 8:10. Or, I'm sorry, 9:10 p.m. or 9:11. There we are, yeah, 9:11 p.m. Look at this stuff. Going straight up. That's just a street light. That's to the south. Back to the east. Amazing, isn't it? That there is something. Let me take a quick little walk around the back. Yeah, I just had the drone up. And that one structure's still there. I mean, you can see how dark it is out. It's directly north. Northwest. I mean, this ain't right. I mean, in the video, I showed the color all the way around. I mean, this Planet X system's really close now. Okay, look at that structure there in the west, still there. Like I say, 9:12 now, everybody. It goes way back into there. Look at that. Way back in the northwest. That's probably from Skippy there. That one could be, but that isn't. They're trying to make this look like that to hide it. But you see that they can't do the job. They got the pink in there, right? Just like at the bottom of this. They just can't get that dark thing on the top. So I would call that a sign of the Planet X system. And check out Brandon Corey Negley. Like I said, he's really been capturing good stuff, everybody. Man, I wish I could see way back there. I'm gonna walk out here a second, I got time. Oh yeah, it's still got that. It goes like that and goes to a point. Walk over this way a second. Maybe I get it from here better. Yeah, okay. See, it's still got the point. That is wild. I just had to come out and capture that. And the drone footage I got just awesome. Probably won't play it with this. You guys probably already see it. Depends on what video I do first, this one or that one. So with that being said, everybody, I'm walking directly south. I'm gonna let it go. And thanks for watching. God bless.